Have you ever noticed that the faster you need to decide, the quieter your clarity gets? It's like your brain hits the panic mode, but your intuition whispers the answer to you if you know how to hear it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pull this answer out of thin air, even if you do not have all the facts. Hello everybody, I am Vaishali NIkhade. I am an engineer turned psychic with over 9,000 readings, and I show you how you can leverage the power of your spirit, meaning intuition, and the power of stars in order to be able to create momentum in your life. Having done thousands and thousands of readings, I can tell when a client comes to me that their intuition has already connected with them and kind of given them some sort of a message. They just don't have enough clarity on what the message is or how things are going to play out in real life. Your intuition doesn't really need all the logical data in order to show you the right answer. And by the end of this video, you'll know how your intuition can give you the answer even if you do not have all the supporting facts as far as logic is concerned. So here's what you're going to learn in this video. Don't reason it out with logic because logic will keep asking you for more clarifications. Your intuition knows the answer and you lean towards the answer in the comfort zone. And I'll also introduce you to the Cosmic Chronicle, which will help you flex your intuitive muscle and develop your intuition as well as know what to expect for the upcoming week. So let's get started. The first point is don't reason it out with logic. So whenever you have to make a quick decision, logic is only going to work in a limited manner because logic is always going to want more data in order to be able to get clarification or to get clarity or in order to come to a conclusion to make the decision. Not only that, logic has a little bit of a past bias, meaning that, oh, because it happened this way in the past, it is more likely to happen this way in the future, sort of a thing. But it doesn't have to. It is kind of true, but it is not valid all the time. So this is the reason that when the information is limited or you have to make a quick decision, logic is really not your best friend. So go ahead and put in the comments below if you've ever had to make a decision and then you went and sought out logical answers and you just spent your time collecting logical proof. So we move on to the second point, which is your intuition knows the answer. So intuition is your ability to tap outside the logical zone or to tap into the power of the spirit in order to be able to get the information or get the answers that you are looking for. It doesn't really need the facts. Just like logic is wanting or needing all the facts, intuition doesn't need any information like that. All it needs to know is the question. And the more pertinent the question is, and the more to the point it is a lot easier and faster for intuition to be able to give you the answer because intuition is not going to be like logic that, so if this happens, then what? If that happens, then what? If that happens, then what? So as far as logic is concerned, people will kind of try to reason it out with logic. So for instance, you know what happens if I do option A versus option B, and then let's say you go with A, then you'll come up with more scenarios that, oh, what if I go with A1 versus A2 versus A3? And then let's say you go with A2, then you will have, oh, then what will happen if I go with B1 versus B2 versus B3 versus B4? And it can go on and on and on until your mind completely goes crazy and you run out of time and you run out of bandwidth in order to be able to collect the data. The only thing about intuition is your intuition doesn't work as well when you have anxiety. And I have a video for that, how anxiety numbs down your intuition. I'm going to link it in the comments below. So your intuition is more like giving you the final answer. Sometimes what happens is that final answer is a little bit out of line with your current circumstances, which means that you cannot think of how such a thing could happen. But essentially, that's what intuition does. It kind of gives you the final answers without you having to screen through all the logical choices and just knowing what the right thing to do would be. And intuition is a muscle that can be flexed. And like I mentioned before, I have developed the Cosmic Chronicle, which I was led to develop after being offered a $900 candle. I'm going to link the video below. But you can learn all about the $900 candle in that video, but essentially that's what led me to developing the Cosmic Chronicle. And what the Cosmic Chronicle does is not only does it show you what to expect during the coming week, it also helps you flex your intuitive muscle, because now it's almost like you're playing a game with your intuition and asking it to look for a particular scenario that plays out during the week. So we move on to the next point, which is you lean towards the answer in the comfort zone. And the easiest way to explain this is, let's say there's a lady called Diane, and she is going to a conference and she has to choose a roommate, which is roommate 1 versus roommate 2. And she came to me and I told her that, hey, even though you know roommate 1, she won't make a good roommate. You have to kind of go with roommate 2. But because Diane was more used to working with logic, she kind of went and leaned towards the answer in the comfort zone, which is she decided to room with person number one. And it turned out to be a real disaster, and she wished that she had not done that. However, just through this experience, she learned the power of intuition and how intuition can lead you to an answer which is not conventional. In this case, the answer using logic was conventional, which was she could room with person 1 because she was already knowing person 1. But had she roomed with person 2, there were a lot other things that could have kind of developed between them down the road. Because a decision that you make, it doesn't just have an immediate impact. There is the short term, the medium term, and the long term impact of a decision. And I have a video which I'm going to link in the comments below, which is the short, medium, and long term impact of a decision. And just by making one wrong decision, you have eliminated the medium and the long term impact of making the right decision. Because the short term impact you already saw, that she roomed with person 1 and it was a disaster. Had she roomed with person 2, it would have been a lot nicer. The good part about it is the next time she's not going to use logic in order to make a decision. She's going to use intuition to be able to make decisions. And unlike logic, intuition is very quick and answers your question in a very quick manner. It does not demand any data or does not demand any logic. And like I mentioned before, if you would like to flex your intuitive muscles, then I have developed what is known as the Cosmic Chronicle. The link to sign up is below, and essentially you can flex your intuitive muscles so that when you really need them, just like how Diane was needing her intuition to be able to select a roommate, you already have that muscle flexed or developed. So now that you know how to use intuition to make quick decisions when the info is limited, what exactly led me to developing the Cosmic Chronicle? Well, the answer is I got offered a $900 candle. How exactly did that play out? Well, that is the subject of my next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!